Good morning. Happy early morning from Walt Disney World. We are on our way to Hollywood Studios. We're going to go to Toy Story and Star Wars Land. But basically all we're gonna do this morning, and then we're just gonna like hang around Hollywood Studios, and then we're gonna come back here, and then we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom for the night because we've never actually been to Animal Kingdom for nighttime, so that'll be fun. Ooh, that's loud. So we're just walking over to the bus station now.
You guys want to has like basically like a voice or like a movement sensor.
Woody's Lunchbox, my favorite breakfast place. I got one of the raspberry tarts and the breakfast bowl. This is so freaking good. It has breakfast gravy in it. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. I also got the same thing. So we just finished up in Toy Story Land and we are heading into Galaxy's Edge. Austin brought his lightsaber with him today. We were gonna bring the droid, but he's just too much of a hassle to like fit in a backpack and like be able to figure out, so here it is. Ooh, it looks cool walking in from this way. We are headed over to the Millennium Falcon. Get a couple more rides in.
The first one will never know where they are. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
Hi, friends, all the way on board, please. Look around, explore the ship, we'll find new information.
Take my crest glove, put it in here, see what it says. Cool. You know, in the when Leia gets captured by Jabba the Hutt,
Yeah.
and then they go, and then
We are headed out of Batu. Awesome, bought another kyber crystal.
yeah,
And then we are gonna go on swirling saucers. Look at the dog. Cute. Sorry. We're going to swirling saucers, and then we're gonna go to Midway Mania. And then we have a few fast passes for the day.
Schelly entrada.
Tell him I've already got one.
good joke, potato head. Good joke.
Okay, we are back at our hotel. It is, don't laugh at us. I think it's 11 o'clock. What time is it?
It's 12.
Oh, it's 12. Oh, that's not bad. Is it 12 already?
Yeah.
Wow. 12 o'clock. We're back in our hotel. We're gonna go for a swim, actually this time. And then we're gonna go over to Animal Kingdom. But first, Austin bought one of these like other colored kyber crystals because when he did his lightsaber experience, he got a green. So you can actually, hold on, I'm trying to put this back together. So you can actually like buy extra kyber crystals. So he got a purple one.
And they're $15.
And they're only $15, so they're not that bad. We thought they were gonna be like 50. But those like little, what are they called?
I don't know.
Not Horcrux. Hollow box or whatever. They're like 50 bucks, and then you just like, you can put these in there, but
And then it like tells you.
yeah, it like tells you like, it like says stuff or whatever based on the color. But that's what he got purple. So he's just undoing his now so that he can put it in there. Sorry if you can hear my heavy breathing in the background. We had a race to get here. Don't forget where you're putting stuff.
Okay, now. This is where it gets interesting.
Yeah, those just screw. Just don't forget the sides. It's cool that you can just totally like undo it.
And then these just like come off like super easy. I can probably leave that one on, to be honest.
Easy, easy.
So it's inside. Actually, I think.
Yeah, it'd be easier to pop it out.
Yeah. Just push that guy out.
So look too, like they're different. Like for the most part they're the same shape, but like
They're not like identical.
they're not identical, which is cool too. Like it makes it look like they're
one of a kind.
thick. I think they said put the base in first and then you can glide the top in.
I don't think they said that.
Huh?
I don't think they said that.
Yeah, she literally said that in the thing. I think I'll make sure it can twist. Whoa. That's cool.
So you know it's in. Like, it's very obvious.
So you do those guys first.
And you match the blue up with the
blue.
blue. And the red with the red.
Oops. Our room is such a disaster.
And then
You had this guy on the bottom.
Yeah. And the thicker
Yep.
side goes on the bottom. And this one you push and twist. Yeah, like that. What?
You're like, yeah, like that. Wrong way. No, wrong way. There you go. Click. Click, click.
And this is bottom. And this is
Super cool.
and then
Make sure it works. Do the click, click. Perfect. Here we go. The big reveal. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Turn the lights off, dude. Ready? Go. Whoa! The purple's so cool. Let me see. Oh! No. Yep. You're gonna come up to bed one day.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. Start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I
Wow. Wow.
what's up, my dude?
You hold it so high.
What do you mean? What's wrong with that?
Because it draws attention.
Is it embarrassing? Okay, don't hold it.
Hold it so high. Put it down.
No.
Put it down, Austin.
Why?
Because you can't see us anyways.
Oh my goodness.
We just got off Flight of Passage. We got last minute fast pass. And now we're trying the Pongu Lumpia or whatever. It was really yummy.
I still haven't tried it yet, and you were. Come on. Oh, it looks delicious.
It's cream cheese. Yummy. Cream cheese and pineapple.
Yeah, it literally just tastes like pineapple.
You want to taste the cream cheese? That's all I taste.
It just tastes like creamy pineapple. I don't know.
Anyways, so
It's pretty good.
we are now walking over to Africa because we're going to take the train. We're going to take the train to Rafiki's Planet Watch, and we're gonna do a bunch of those drawings because Austin was obsessed with it the first time. Me too.
There, yeah.
So we're gonna do that. Yeah, that's the plan.
Please wait for those gates to be opened by a cast member. Once it is safe to do so, boarding guests with special needs first. Doing all general boarding
Any wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt modeled characters after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in computer animation, this tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world to observe animals in their own surroundings. And that includes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are now approaching Conservation Station at Rafiki's Planet Watch. For your safety and the safety of those around you,
So Austin, what happened?
There's only one character that we already have drawn. Scar. And the one at 4 o'clock was Scar, which was in like 20 minutes. And then the last time they do it for the day is at 4:45. And it was gonna be TikTok, the crocodile for Peter Pan. But then we would have to sit here for like an hour and 20 minutes, which there's no point in doing that, so we don't get to draw any more characters.
I know, so we have to walk all the way back to the train and poor Austin doesn't get to do any more characters.
And I was actually very excited about it, like all day I wanted to do it.
We'll do it later. We'll do it later. It's okay.